Hello and welcome back to CraftyTern. I wanted to share with you a quick walkthrough of an album that I made using the Sunshine on My Mind graphic 45 papers. There isn't a tutorial for this one, but lots of the pages have been done on my Facebook page as my Wednesday lives, so you can catch some of the pages on there. So a nice simple front cover. Simple pocket page here, and then this page, and this is one of the pages that I've done the live for. You can see there's a nice little neat pocket with a matching ornamental decoration that side, and the same here, and I've used the CoolKatz dies to create that. And then you've got two photo slots, square photo slots, and a third one in the middle, and then you've got a large tag that fits in there like that. So then that closes up, that closes on top, and I've used a ribbon fastening for this page. So let's just do that up. So on this page I've just done a very simple hidden door. And then this page, again, I think this is a live on my Wednesday live page on Facebook. You should be able to look back and see this. So we've got a little tuck pocket there, and then another one of these larger tags there, swivel opening, and there's another little pocket there, another pocket there, and then another of the larger tags there. And this time I've used a swivel fastening. So on this page, I put this on and then realised it actually doesn't do anything, but there you go. So, but you've got a little swivel and then a little secret door that opens up like that, but I could have managed it without the swivel, but there you go. It just does hold it in place a little bit. And then this one, and again, this is one that I've done on Facebook Live. So I've used a belly band here, and then this is a magnet fastening. So you've got photo slots here, photo slots here. You've got a belly band, and these are CoolKatz walrus belly bands that I've used here. And you can see there's another belly band there, and a fourth one there, and then the CoolKatz photo slot dies. And it's the CoolKatz photo slot dies that I've used all the way through, and then it just closes with a magnet. So this page is a simple tuck pocket and another larger pocket, and then just a simple pocket here. It got very bulky when I started, so I needed some less bulky pages. So this has just got two pockets. I've used lots of the ephemera from the graphic 45 packs. Excuse me. Then I've got another swivel, and this time we've got a circle, CoolKatz circle photo slot die, and just two more in there as well. And then I've used the ATC and just made a little photo wallet in there. That just slides back into there. And then finally I've made a little side facing waterfall, but it's one that you do like that rather than pull it out, simply because I didn't have enough room on the end for a pull out there. And then finally a little pocket page, and I've used one of the ephemera to create a third little tuck spot there. So I hope you like this album. If you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment or just a thumbs up to say that you like this and you've seen it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.